Hello students, today in your English 2 class we will study lesson 8, the song of the train. Okay, so in this story we will see a train journey. Okay, we will see a train journey through the eyes of a little girl, and this little girl has never been on train before. So this is her first train journey, and we will see how she has the experience of this train journey for the first time. Okay, everything is new to her. Okay, even the music, the sound actually that the train produces, it's like a music to her. She finds it very soothing, and she thinks that this is the sound of the train. It is giving her company throughout the journey. Okay, so we will see how this little girl, whose name is Minnie, this little girl's name is Minnie, and she's just 6 years old, and she's traveling. She's going to her grandparents' place with her own father and mother. So let's start the chapter, children. So you all open page number 67. Minnie, her mother and her father are going to visit Minnie's grandparents. They are traveling by train. Minnie is 6 years old, but she has never traveled on a train before. So everything is new to her. So here Minnie is traveling along with her parents, and they all are going to Minnie's grandparents' place. And they are traveling by train. Traveling means going from one place to another. That is known as traveling. Okay. So they are traveling means from their own home they are going to another place by train. And Minnie is 6 years old, and this is her first time on train. So obviously everything is new to her. The train whistled twice, hoot, hoot. So why this train is making this hoot twice? Because it is about to leave the platform. When the train is about to leave the platform, the whistle sound it produces like no hoot, hoot. So it is for the passengers to make them aware that now the train is ready and it will leave the platform. So that all the passengers may get inside the train, and they can start their journey. There was a slight jerk and the train started. Slight jerk means what? Slight means very mild, and jerk means quick short movement. So as the train starts, it gives a little jerk kind of movement, and then it speeds up. Okay. So first it moved slowly, chuk chuk chuk. So chuk chuk chuk, the little sound of the train. It is a peculiar sound that the train produces. So after that the train started. Soon it went faster and faster. Chuk 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 chuk. So this is again the sound in the train. As the train speeds up, the sound of the train also speeds up. Minnie looked out of the window. It was a sunny afternoon. So what time they started their journey? In the afternoon. And as I said that it was her first train journey, so she was very excited. The first time she was sitting on train, the bogie, the compartment, the train window, the sight, the scenic beauty that she can see from inside the train. So she was very excited about all these things. And so when you also go, you travel by train, you prefer the window seat, right? Because we get to see outside, and it is very exciting to sit on window seat. So she's also sitting at window seat. Minnie looked out of the window. It was sunny afternoon. So the time was afternoon. A man was working in the fields. A woman was drawing water. Drawing water means pulling out water, bucket of water from the well. Okay, that is drawing water. Some children were playing. They looked at the train and waved. Waved means just waving their hands like this. They are the children from the village, and they have the habit of this, that as the train passes, it goes by, they just wave the hand at the passenger sitting inside the train. So this is just like a game for them to play. They have played that way. Even the trees waved their branches. So what did Minnie see, as she looked out of the window? What all things she can see? She can see a man who's working in the field, maybe a farmer, a woman who's pulling out buckets of water from the well. Then she can see some children who are playing and waving hands. The trees are running so fast, said Minnie. Now see, what she thinks that the trees are running so fast because she's innocent like any other child. She makes the mistake of thinking that the tree were running past the train. But is it so? No. When you sit on train and the train passes, it appears that the trees outside the trains are also running along with you. But no, the trees are at their place. It's just the train which is moving fast and it gives the appearance, it looks like trees are moving. So she thought that the trees were running, but it was actually the running train that made the tree seem to appear as though they are running past the train. No, Minnie laughed her mother. The trees are not running. So Minnie's mother, she laughed. And why laughed? Because of her innocence, that she's thinking that the trees are running. So she laughed and she also explained Minnie that no, it is not the trees that are running, but it is the train which is running. Now we turn the page, come to page number 68. The train is moving and we are moving with it. So she's explaining that the train is moving and we are sitting on train, we are moving. So it looks like the trees are also moving, but the trees are not moving. Your tickets please, said a man in uniform. So as you can see in the picture, there's a man with turban, we call him Sardarji, and he's wearing a black suit with a tie, proper uniform he is, and he's asking for tickets. So when you go on train, you have to buy tickets, okay? You should have the tickets for your journey. So, and it is duty of this man, this ticket checker, TC, to check tickets of all the passengers. So this man, this ticket TC, he came and he asked for the tickets. Who is this man? Whispered Minnie. Whispered means she saw a man in uniform, so she in a very low voice, whispering means to speak in a very low voice. She's asking her parents, who is this man? He is the ticket examiner, replied Minnie's father. He wants to see our tickets. So what Minnie's father is replying, that he is a ticket examiner. Ticket examiner, one who examines the tickets. Examine means one who checks the tickets, whether your tickets are correct or not, or even you're having the ticket or not. Minnie's mother gave their tickets to the man. He looked at them. Now Minnie's mother has all the tickets, three tickets of all of them, and she handed over the tickets to this man, to this ticket checker, and he matched the tickets with these passengers, means Minnie and her parents, by looking at them. Obviously we will match it. Next. Minnie looked out of the window. It was beautiful inside. No, before that, thank you, he said, and gave the tickets back to her. Now, after checking the tickets, after just confirming that ticket is valid, he said thank you and he gave the tickets back to Minnie's mother. Minnie looked out of the window. It was beautiful outside. Now see, when you go out of the city where no buildings, no vehicles are running on the road, and only green meadows are there, or you can see green fields and trees, it looks very nice, right? Especially the people who live in city, when they get to see the village side, it looks very nice. So Minnie also was looking outside the window, and she was looking outside, and it was very beautiful outside. The sun was setting. It looked like a giant orange. Herds of cattle were walking across the fields. Flocks of birds were flying in the sky. Then the sun went behind a hill. Soon it began to grow dark. Now the full description of why it is looking so beautiful, it is given. The sun was setting. It looked like a giant orange. So see, it is the imagination of the child comparing the setting sun with a giant orange. It's also orange in color, no? That's why. And then herds of cattle. Herds means group of animals, okay? And cattle means the farm animals like cows or goats. They are all cattle. They, the farm, the animals which live on farms. So they all were walking across the fields. They are going back to their home. Flocks of birds were flying in the sky. Flock means again group. Group of birds. Because now the sun is setting, all the animals and so everyone is going back to their home. It is dusk time. Sun is setting. So everyone is going back to their home. So flock of birds means group of birds. So they were flying in the sky and they were also going back to their home. Then the sun went behind a hill. Soon it began to grow dark, and soon the sun went behind the hill, and as the sun went behind the hill, it was all dark. Light came on in the train. Now you see that there are lights also in the train. So as it grew dark, the lights were switched on. Dinner coupons, said a man. So there are, special tickets to buy something. In some of these trains, there are special tickets that if you buy, you get dinner coupons. You get dinner served in the train itself. So there was a man and he was offering dinner coupon to them. Minnie's mother bought 3 coupons. So she bought 3 coupons for all 3 of them. The train was slowing down, chuk, chuk, chuk. So by the train slowing down, most probably next station is coming. So as the big station comes, the train slows down to just, halt at the platform at that station. Then the train stopped, bright light came in through the window. Now, it was already dark outside because the train was so far running across the fields and everything. Now the train reached to some station, night station. It is all shops are there, vendors are there, so much lights are there. So the light from outside started coming through the window. It's an important station, said Minnie's father. The train will stop here for some time. Now Minnie's father told that it's one of the big stations and it's important stations. So for some time train will stop here because passengers will get off the train. Some passengers will get inside the train. So there's some exchange of passengers. The train has to stop there for some time. The platform was full of people. Platform means what? The place in the railway station which is just next to the railway track. That is platform. Okay. So it was all full of people. Some were getting ready to get inside the train and some were getting ready to get off the train. Porters were carrying boxes on their heads and shoulders. Some people were selling things. Porters means coolie, okay? People who carry, people's bag on their head, people's luggage on their head and shoulders, they are porters. So they were carrying boxes on their heads and shoulders, and some people were selling things, vendors, they were selling food or other stuff. Everyone is in a hurry, Winnie thought. See, when you are on a station, if you see all the passengers are in hurry. Some are in hurry so that they do not miss the train. Some are in hurry so that they have to get off the train and get on the station or the platform. So everybody is in kind of hurry on the station. Next, the train started again and left the station behind. Then the food came in 3 packets. Now the time was over for means the time the train needed to stop. It was there and then it left the station and then speed up. And then the food came. As the train started, the food came inside the train, the 3 packets of food as they ordered. After she ate, Minnie asked, "Now where do I sleep?" Now, as I told, it is the first time, so she doesn't know where she will sleep. We have 3 berths. Berths means the place where people sleep on the train. That is the sleeping place on the train is called berth. Explained Minnie's father. There's an upper berth, middle berth and lower berth. Okay. So 3 people can sleep at one side. So there are 2 sides, so 6 people can sleep. Minnie's father lifted Minnie and put her middle berth. He then covered her with a blanket. Soon he switched off the lights and turned on the night light. Now the middle berth it has to be lifted up, okay, because the berth is pressed down, so it has to be lifted up. So Minnie's father lifted that middle berth and he made Minnie lie down on that middle berth and properly covered her with blanket and everything. And then he switched off the main light, and there's a night light also with a dim light, and he switched it on. The train sped through the night. Sped means moved with a great speed. Chuk chuk choo chuk choo. So this is the sound that the train is making. Minnie listened. Choo chuk choo choo chuk choo. She thought it's the song of the train. It's singing for me. Again, see how imaginative she is. She's thinking that the sound of the train is like music to her ears. She's finding it so soothing, and she's enjoying the music of the train. Soon she was fast asleep. Fast asleep means in a deep sleep. So this she actually enjoyed this experience, and this experience was very special to Minnie because it was her first experience on train. So children, the story brings out the way a child enjoys her new experience. You see how she's fascinated with the changing scenes outside the window, and when the train is moving and when it halts at the station. So she enjoys every bit of her journey. And also we see that how she's innocent like any other child, and she makes a mistake of thinking that the trains are also running, the trees are also running past the train. And she's an imaginative child, comparing the setting sun with a giant orange, and also she's comparing the sound of the train with the music, okay, the rhythmic beat of the train, the speeding train. It's like music to her. And she's curious. She's also a curious child. Minnie is curious. Why? Because she wants to know the role of the ticket checker, ticket examiner, and also the man with coupons. So she wants to know everything about these people also. And we also see that she has warm and caring parents, like her mother answers her questions about when she made some mistake of thinking that trees are running